You're welcome to Tutor Faraday channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on the TikTok studio microphone settings you need to actually know as a creator on TikTok. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Right here on the screen is my TikTok studio. So looking here, you can see that this is actually my TikTok studio. If you don't have the app on your device, I've actually made a video on how to download the TikTok studio, so you can go ahead and watch that video. After installing it on your device and logging into the app, this is what the TikTok Live Studio appears like. So in order for you to actually set up your microphone on your TikTok Live Studio, you need to click on this place here where you can see this place, where you can see audio mixer. Go ahead and click on that. Right here you can see primary microphone and also primary speaker. Now if you are using the microphone to go live on TikTok, you can go ahead and do some settings for your microphone. Whereas if you are using an external speaker to go live on your TikTok live, you can go ahead and do some adjustments on your settings for your external speaker by clicking on add. Looking right here, I'm going to actually do some settings for my microphone by clicking on add. You can see the add button right here. So when you do that, you can easily choose to reduce the volume, your microphone volume, or increase it. Right here as well, you can see where it says noise suppression. You can choose to actually turn on your noise suppression or turn it off. Now if you turn it on, it's actually going to reduce your background noise and only your voice is going to be heard on your live stream very clear. So right here as well, you can see convert to memo. You can choose to turn this on if you want to convert your audio to memo, as well as turning on audio offset if you want to adjust your audio timing to avoid any video synchronization. Right here as well, you can see where it says audio monitoring. Now if you don't want to actually hear what your voice sounds as, you can leave it just like this. But if you want to hear what your voice sounds as on your live stream and what your viewers hear your voice as, you can go ahead and click on this and select monitor only or monitor and output in order to hear what your voice actually sounds as before going live, so that you'd be sure of what your viewers are hearing your voice as. Right here as well, you can see where it says echo cancellation. Now if you don't want your voice to be heard in an echo format, now if you don't want the echo of your voice to be heard on your live stream, you can easily turn this on as well in order to cancel the echo on your live stream. After adjusting this, you can see where it says add right here. You can simply click on that after doing some adjustments and you'll be able to add this settings you've actually made on your microphone. Right here as well, if you want to do some adjustment for your microphone, so right here as well, you can see where it says add. You can actually click on this add button if you want to do some adjustment. So when you click on that as well, right here you can easily decrease the volume or increase the volume to whichever percentage you want it to be. Right here you can see where it says convert to mono. You can choose to turn this on as well in order to convert your audio to mono, and also you can choose to turn this on if you want to adjust the audio timing to avoid your video synchronization. Right here you can see where it says audio monitoring. If you want to hear what your voice actually sounds as on your live stream, you can turn this on as well. After doing all these adjustments, you simply need to come back right here and click on test audio. You can see the option of test audio. You can simply click on that in order to test the audio and see what your voice sounds as before going live. Or you can easily choose to click on mute all in order to turn off your sound on TikTok and your voice won't be heard on your live stream. So these are the TikTok Live Studio microphone settings you need to know as a creator on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. In this channel we teach about tutorials like this, so if this is really what you want, do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. Tell me in the comment section as well if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.